If you've been following along with the channel over the last month, you've seen that I've been working with a company called EUFY, and they've sent me 2 different types of cameras, a video doorbell, and most recently, this smart drop box. This is a package delivery system that your delivery drivers can punch in a code to put your packages in so that people cannot come up and steal them from your porch. It's shipped in a really nice flat box, and I'm going to unbox it and show you how to assemble it, and then we'll talk about some of the features at the end of the video. The assembly went much better than I anticipated. The screw holes all lined up exactly where they needed to be, and all the parts were supplied, so it didn't take long at all to get the whole box assembled. The next step in the process is to get this charged up, and then we'll go ahead and set it up by adding a new device in the app. Once the battery is fully charged, you come right behind the camera on the box and open this cover. The black part on the battery matches up with the gold part on the battery compartment. You just slide it in at an angle so you don't damage those contacts, and then close the cover.
Welcome to EUFY Smart Drop.
That indicates that the box is now powered on and you can finish the setup. After I load the app, I can see my devices. I'm going to click the plus sign in the top right hand corner and then scroll all the way to the bottom and click Smart Drop. Click Next. Click Next to connect it to my Wi-Fi and continue. All right, so I'm going to press the sync button, which is behind the camera on the unit. It is not behind the open button. You hear a beep. I'm going to click Next. Now you use the camera that's on the front of the drop box to scan the QR code. Should hear 2 beeps.
Connecting to the Wi-Fi network. Please wait.
And it's now connecting to the Wi-Fi network. I'll go to the next screen.
Setup was successful.
Our setup was successful, so I'm going to click Next. I'm going to name my device. I'm going to enter a master pin here. Here's where I can set that the box is unlocked. Whenever the first delivery driver of the day comes and the box is empty, they can just press the open button to get in, and then it switches to open via pin later. And that's what I'm going to leave it as. As with all the devices, it does have a firmware update, and it's going to go ahead and update it for me. So the way it works is when the delivery driver comes up, the first one of the day can simply press the open button. The box opens, they can put the package inside, and then they close the lid. If for some reason they don't close the lid, it will notify you in the app, but the lid will not close by itself. The second delivery driver that comes up will punch in the code and press the open button, and then it will let them make their delivery as well. So they'll put their package in with the other one and close the lid, and the process repeats for the rest of the day. Whenever you as the homeowner come home, you can then press in your master key and press the open button and collect your packages. Whenever the master key is used, you press the open button to open the door. You remove the packages, and when you close it, since you entered the master key, it's reset so that the next delivery driver just needs to press the open key. Here's some footage from the camera embedded on the smart drop box of an Amazon driver coming up, punching in the code, and putting the package in the box. So far, 7 out of 9 packages that have been delivered since I installed the box have used the box. In order for the box to be able to record and save videos, you need to connect it to a home base. And I already had a home base that came with my doorbell, so I connected it to the same one through the app. You can set up different carriers inside the app with their own code, and that way the app can notify you who delivered what at what time. You can see that an Amazon delivery driver came and then the master pin was used, and this is all indicated within the app. Thank you so much for making it to the end of the video. It'd be awesome if you'd click that logo in the bottom left-hand corner to subscribe to my channel, and maybe even check out one of my other videos shown on the right. As always, I hope you guys have a great day.